Yes, I will show you that I'm the chairman of Tailors in this village. Yes.
See, don't allow me to tell you to get out.
Eh?
Don't allow me to tell you to get out.
You are telling me to get out?
This is my father's land. This is my father's village. I will start my own.
Okay, let me see how you are going to work.
Nothing you can do.
Let me see how it will work.
Okay.
I will make this village uncomfortable for you.
Okay.
Okay. You are threatening my daughter. What has she done?
Mama, she has done anything.
I fight you.
She has done many things.
I fight you.
Why would she come to my shop and tell? Is that how to do things? You tell somebody, I want to work with you. The next minute, you tell somebody, you're not doing it again. You must do it.
Is it by force?
Yes, it's by force.
Come on, force me.
I'm forcing you.
Did you see the P-Square fighting? Did you see P-Square? Two of them fighting. Did you not see when Rude Boy King is saying, reason with me, and then the other one is singing his own tone? Did not see it? Okay, Mama, you are Jude. Judge it.
Mama, better judge it.
You are
judge
now.
it.
Judge it, Mama.
Mama, judge it.
She said she want to stay on.
Bam.
She don't want to join the business.
No more.
Go home.
Oh, Mama, is that how you are judging it?
Yes.
Is that how you are judging it? There's a war. There'll be problem, oh. If he's not to do it like this, there'll be problem. I'm not living here without her. Yes, I must go with you. Bring your machine, let's go.
I fight you. You are looking at me now with good eye. If I don't allow this punch to deceive you, I fight you. Don't allow this punch to deceive you, I fight you. You did not see the two P-Square fighting. Mama, you are Jude. Judge this matter. I fight you.
My cap has gone inside my pocket.
That's so cool.
Mama, my cap has gone inside my pocket.
I fight you.
Once my cap go inside my pocket, there'll be war. Alright, let's go. Bring the head of the machine.
Yeah.
Bring the head of the machine, Mama.
Oh, you want to change it for you.
Bring the Mama, bring the head of the machine. Mama, bring that head up.
Yeah.
Oh, you
You are allowing this punch to deceive you.
you are going.
You are allowing this punch to deceive you.
Oh, you are going with me. Mama, you is going with me.
I put her go.
Ayada. Oh, Tailors, gather. Mama, I'm the chairman of Tailors, so. I'm chairman of Tailors, so. I'm the chairman of Tailors, so. Don't lock that, please. Mama, if you join this thing,
You're looking for trouble.
Mama, if you join this thing, you will not come out this village again.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.